Hello world. In this video, I'll be explaining about border layouts. As you can see that I have already downloaded border layout image from Oracle. In Java, the top portion is called north for border layout. Bottom portion is called south, left is called west, and right is called east, and obviously the left portion center is called center. So simple, right? In our last video we have created this button, but this you can see that this button is basically the entire screen, and if I am resizing this, it is getting resized, but this is it. Now, in order to place this button to our top, we'll be implementing north. So we have already created this border layout. What we'll be doing, we'll be adding this border layout, where it is, border layout dot north. I'm saving this and I'll be reloading this extension. If you are in Mac, you have to click command and checkbox, or if you are in Linux, you have to do this control and click the checkbox. So you can see that ABCD is placed on the top, and if I am clicking this button, it's working as usual. What if we want to place another button to the top? So for placing another button, we'll be doing something like this: self dot b2, and it would be a J button, and we can call it the second, and obviously we would be adding this to our panel, right? So sorry, and let me copy this and paste this, change to b2. I'm saving this, and it should be like bottom of this hello, right? Reloading this extension by control or command and clicking on this checkbox, reloaded, and you can see that my first button is gone for good. So what is happening in the border layout, you can't actually stack one element over another. The border layout is basically doing its calculation, and it should be placed like center, bottom, and other. So let me quickly add this so that we can match this, image. So we'll be creating this another button b2 and b3, b4, b5. So it would be b3 and b4, b5. So let's call it east, okay, and west and south, and second I am renaming this to center, and we can call it north for this video. So let me quickly change this north and b2, b3, b4, b5. So as we won't be stacking these elements, so it won't be an issue. b3 is center, b2 is center, center, that is east. What is b3? b4 is west, and b5 is south. So we'll be having similar to this image. Be quickly reloading this extension, and let's assume or hope that we'll be having this kind of layout. Okay, so it's completed loading, and you can see that we are having similar layout like this. And obviously if I'm clicking on this north, it's changed to hello. So this is it for this tutorial. In my next tutorial, I'll be changing background for this layouts, and will be implementing grid back layout somehow. And thank you for watching this series.